Hello folks, Jaybird here. It's Hawaiian Shirt Friday. I always wear Hawaiian shirts on Fridays in the summertime. It's my own casual Friday rule. So Molly and I are coming down to the lake and we pull in the driveway and had a little surprise. Think you can see it right there. We've had a lot of heavy rain over the last couple of weeks, and I guess we had a really heavy rain here. So let me show you what happened. So the water came down my ditch very strongly. All the grass is laying down. I don't know if you can see that part of it, but here's what's left of my driveway. All that used to be gravel. It's not gravel. All the gravel got washed off. So it came down this ditch, and I don't know where it came from because I walked way up the road and I can see debris all in the road. I can see it all up the road here. But right here, it looks like it's just washed out everything. I mean, you can see that's a good foot or so worth of gravel there. I don't know, not a foot maybe, just a lot of gravel. So it came down the ditch, I guess, and just washed it away, and down she went. You can see all the gravel came over here. Got a big ravine. Washed the mulch out of the mulch bed. That's a big old chunk of mulch missing. Washed my sidewalk gravel off so much I could see brick down there. I didn't even know we had bricks down there. Washed all the gravel into the flower beds. And into my front yard. All of the driveway has been washed into my front yard. It's spilled over. All of this used to be grass. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little grassy place back here and here. Everything in between here was grass. So on the other side of this landscape timber, all of this was grass. And it's now covered with my driveway. You can see, my goodness, it's just washed right over top of my landscape timbers. The landscape timbers Molly and I laid out. So one thing I'd say is we did a pretty good job with those landscape timbers, right? I mean, they didn't even move. We nailed them down with rebar and screws in the edges and rebar, and heck, man, they didn't even move. But yeah, this whole piece of the yard is trashed. That is some heavy rain water damage right there. So not sure what I'm gonna do. You can see it washed into the yard over here. Some more water. Wow. So much for my driveway. I could just turn this into a driveway, right? Maybe just leave it there. Pull out all the landscape timbers from here over. I don't think my wife would like that too much. So I might have to borrow my neighbor's tractor. I don't know. We might have to swept out a lot of the stuff there. Just about buried my. Good thing my trailer's still there. When it washed, so those timbers used to be on the back edge of the building there. So the water came up underneath the shed and washed those timbers away from the side of the shed. Huh. Looks like I got some damage up here on this side of the driveway as well. A little bit. Yeah, there's a little ditch here. That didn't used to be there. That didn't look like too much though. Get a stiff rake and work that out probably. Yeah, it's washed all through here. All of that washed down. I can take care of that though. Yeah. So it's funny, I don't see much on this side of the ditch. I can see some of the grass laying down. And I can see where the water line came. That's where the water line was, way up here where that brush is, or there's leaves and stuff. Oh yeah, there's a nice pile of rocks that used to be way up there by the drain. You see all that grass laying down. There's some more rocks that used to be up here with the drain. Some more washout. Let's look on this side. Yeah, you can see there's where the water line came. Yeah, all this got washed out too. All of these rocks used to be in the driveway or up by the drain. Now they're down here in the ditch. Not too big a problem there. I can probably handle that. My goodness, what am I going to do with this though? Oh well. So that'll be it for this video. If you have any ideas of how to do, just shovel it back or call the insurance company, or I don't know, what would you do? Yeah. See you later.